Hi, I am CIBY K.C. I am a chartered accountant. I started my career as a teacher after passing BSc Physics. So I was a science student. Then I got a job in Nagaland as a government school teacher in a village school there, and I started my career as a teacher. Then I suddenly realized that the graduation is not a high qualification for a person like me. So I was so ambitious, and so I loved that job and joined the CA. Even during that CA articleship period and other time, I usually take classes for students in class 11 and 12. Then I passed CA and become a chartered accountant. Then I started taking classes for chartered accountancy students. My favorite topic is accountancy, and I teach accountancy for class 11 and 12 students for a fairly long period of time. Up to class 10, you are not studying accountancy. And from class 10, after passing class 10, you are studying a new subject called accountancy. And if your fundamentals are very strong, then you can reach very high levels. Unfortunately, most of the students are not getting the foundation strong. A strong foundation is enough to build a building. Why I become a teacher? The answer is simple. When I switched over from science to commerce field, I faced a lot of difficulties. I failed in CA examination many times, and especially in accountancy. I scored very poorly in accountancy. Then I realized that it is not easy for a student without a commercial background to get a grip over the subject. And then I attended coaching classes after coaching classes, and I got some of the fantastic teachers in India, and that changed me a lot. And what I am now is because of my teachers. I wanted to be one among them and help students who are struggling with this subject, or students who are entering into this subject for the first time. That's why I take classes for accountancy students in class 11 and 12. Let me explain what is accountancy in a very few minutes. Accountancy is the language of business. So if you want to do business, you have to learn this language. And if you want to manage business, then also you have to learn accounting, because it is all about money management. It helps you to manage your money properly, manage your finances properly, control your finances properly. That's the advantage of accounting. And how does they do that? They use three statements. One is balance sheet, the second one is the income statement, the third one is the cash flow statement. Using these three statements, you get enough control over the monetary activities in your business. That's where the beauty of accounting is. You learn these three statements, then you get an understanding about your business, because everything touches with the money in business. Most of the business problems are monetary problems. So if you can solve the money problems, you can solve most of the business problems. So control over money. And how will you get that control? The control is possible when you measure something. And we are measuring it in terms of money, and we call it money measurement concept in accounting language. And using this money measurement techniques, we control the financial activities in a business using just three statements: balance sheet, income statement, and the cash flow statement. And let us study accounting in a very beautiful manner, in a very simple manner, so that you get a better understanding of accounting in a faster way, in a better way. Thank you for listening.